video, we're going to practice 5 sounds. And our first sound is the first sound we hear in the word apple. Apple. Can you hear that first sound? Apple. Yeah. And this is how we write the sound yeah. So let's practice. Yeah. Very good. Yeah is the first sound we're going to practice. Our next sound is the first sound you hear in the picture of man. Man. You hear that first sound? Man. Did you say m? Very good. And this is how we draw the sound m. Let's practice. M. 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 Like in man. That's our second sound. Our next sound is the first sound you hear in the word toe. Here's the toe. Do you hear that first sound? Toe. Did you say t? Very good. And this is how we draw that sound. T. This is what we write for the sound t. Let's practice. T. 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 Very good. That's our third sound. Now let's go to our fourth sound. Our fourth sound is the first sound you hear in sun. Sun. Can you hear that first sound? Sun. Very good. Did you say s? And this is how we draw the sound s. S. Very good. Let's practice. S. 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 Very good. Okay, let's go to our next sound. This is a pig. The first sound we hear in pig is p. Did you hear the sound p? Very good. And this is how we draw the sound p, like in pig. Very good. Now let's practice. P. 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 P is the first sound you hear in pig. Very good.